Hey, if you're tired of watching others grow their wealth while your money just sits in a savings account doing absolutely nothing, this video is your moment, because today I am going to show you how to invest in stocks. Even if you're a total beginner, even if you don't have a lot of money, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start building real wealth. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on powerful ways to grow your money. Section 1. Why stocks? So, why should you even invest in the stock market? Because historically, the stock market has returned around 7 to 10% per year, on average, even after inflation. That means if you invest and leave your money alone, it can double, triple, or more, all while you sleep. Compare that to your bank savings account earning maybe 0.01%. If you want your money to actually grow, you've got to put it to work. And stocks are one of the best tools to do that. Section 2. What are stocks? Stocks are just pieces of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock like Apple or Amazon, you're actually buying a tiny slice of that business. As the company grows and earns more profits, your piece becomes more valuable. You can make money two ways. Capital gains. When the stock price increases, dividends, when the company shares a portion of its profits with you. Pretty cool, right? Section 3. How to start investing in stocks, step by step. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. You need a brokerage account. This is where you buy and sell stocks. Some great beginner-friendly brokerages in the US are Robinhood, Simple Interface, Fidelity, great for long-term. Investors, Charles Schwab, Trade, all are free to open and don't require large minimum deposits. Step 2. Fund your account. Link your bank account and transfer some money. You can start with as little as $50 thanks to fractional shares. Step 3. Choose what to invest in. Start with index funds like VO or S, which track the S&P 500 ETF. For diversification, blue chip stocks like Apple, Microsoft, or Google. Avoid hyped-up meme stocks or penny stocks until you know what you're doing. Section 4. Rules for beginners. Invest for the long term. Think years, not weeks. Wealth is built over time. Don't try to time the market. Even professionals fail at this. Use dollar-cost averaging. Invest the same amount regularly. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one company or industry. Use index funds or multiple stocks. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. The market is ups and downs. Invest responsibly. Section 5. Tools to help you. Some useful tools to help you invest smarter. Yahoo Finance, Track Stocks, Morningstar. Or Research Seeking Alpha. For advanced insights. These can help you make informed decisions without being a finance expert. Section 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Following hype or tips blindly. Just because a stock is trending on TikTok doesn't mean it's a smart buy. Panic selling? Markets go up and down. If you sell every time it dips, you'll always lose. Ignoring fees and taxes. Know the difference between taxable accounts and Roth IRA. And don't forget, if you sell a stock for profit within a year, you'll pay a higher tax rate. Look, investing isn't just for the wealthy. It's how most people become wealthy. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time, right now. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more money and investing videos, and drop a comment below. What's the first stock or fund you're going to invest in? Thanks for watching. Now go start building your future.